It's David Thomas. I hope you're having a great day. So today I'm going to be going over the scalping strategy using our Impulse scanner. All right. And if you follow me on social media, you know that I like to trade smart money concepts with the Impulse scanner. It's been a game changer. However, there's many ways to use the Impulse scanner, one of which is scalping. So if you are a scalper, or if you're, you like quick in and outs in the market, this has been very powerful for the community. They found it to be very powerful. But I want you to decide. I'm going to go over today. I'm not going to say that it's one way or the other. I want you to decide if you find it simple. All right. You decide for yourself. Now, as a disclaimer, this is not supposed to be a full intensive training. I'm just going to try to make this quick. Don't just watch this video, grab the scanner, and then try to go trade the strategy. Go through the official training we have inside of our community. All right. And as another disclaimer, always demo trade to begin with. All right. It's paper trading and not using real funds to begin with. Okay. So let's go over it. There are 4 steps and let's go over them together. So number 1, you want to find pairs that are aligned from the 1 minute to the 1 hour. All right. So you can see here on the right, there's this little time frame macro trend panel. You can see 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. It's telling us what the trend is on every single time frame for each individual pair. Very powerful information to have. Now, this works. Obviously, I'm on Forex today. You can go to commodities like gold and oil, crypto like Bitcoin, indices like US 30, stocks, options, futures. It works on all assets, but I'm going to show you on Forex today. All right. So step number 1, find pairs that are aligned from the 1 minute to the 1 hour. So from the 1 minute to the 1 hour here, you want those going the same direction. As you can see, these are all pointing down, so they're all going the same direction. It actually aligns on the 4 hour and the daily as well, but you really only need it from the 1 minute to the 1 hour. Now, if this is all pointing down, that should mean that we're looking for sells on this pair because the market is bearish, which means it's just going down. Now, that's step number 1. So we found a pair, and once you find it, you can just start right here, and it'll keep it at the top for you. Number 2, you want to confirm that you're within 2 hours from a macro trend arrow. A macro trend arrow is this little chevron symbol here. I've talked about it in videos in the past. Very powerful confirmation that price is going to continue in your direction. Obviously, as you can see here, we got the macro trend and then fell off, right? But you want to trade within 2 hours. This is smack dab in the middle of the chart, so obviously it meets that criteria. 3, we want to wait for 4 opposing arrows of the trend. So for example, if this is all pointing down, right, the macro trend time frame is telling us that it should be going down. If we get opposing arrows like these blue arrows pointing up, that's what we want before our entry. So we want at least 4 of those. Then we execute on the next arrow that goes with the direction of the trend. Okay, so let's show you some examples on the chart. All right, so we have, arrows going opposite of the trend because this is going down. Boom, we have our first arrow right here. All right, that would be the first opportunity. Now, as far as risk goes, you want to measure these volatility bands. So these are little special sauce bands that measure the volatility of price. You want to measure those, and then we recommend, if you want to be conservative, to double that as your risk. Okay, so as you can see here, price never came back up to this area and then just fell away. All right, let's look again. We have 4 arrows opposing direction. There's another arrow going in the direction, so that's another opportunity. Let's measure the volatility bands. See if I can double it. There we go. All right. Risk up here, you're fine. Let's keep going. Do we have 4 right here? We have 4 opposing arrows. Where's our next red arrow? Boom, right there. Oh, a little bit over. There we go. All right. And then let's measure the bands. We are, but risk up there. All right. And then falls away. We don't have any 4 arrows in that direction. So you get the point. I'm just going to stop there. All right. So you just see right in this little time frame, this little period of time, we had 3 opportunities that just fell away towards the target. So you tell me whether you find that simple or not. Okay. So that's the quick overview. It's quick and easy. If you have any questions about this, of course, reach out, let me know. The community is loving it, and I know you'll love it as well. So shoot me a message with any questions. Otherwise, have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Bye.